Have you been wondering how you can start drop shipping in 2019? Welcome to another video. As always, thank you for tuning in. This is your friend and mentor, MrDavinci, and in this video I will be showing you how to start drop shipping in 2019. So without further ado, allow me to load up my screen here. And here we are. So as I said, in this video we will be covering how to start drop shipping in 2019 using Shopify and AliExpress.com. So here we are on the Shopify platform. I will let's just start here. So here we are on Shopify.com. This is a website what we're going to use for e-commerce. I can turn this into a series. If you want to see this become a series, definitely make sure you leave a like on this video. And on the Shopify page, this is where you'll come to create your store. Once you get good enough, you can come on here and also sell your store, and you can also market using Facebook. But let's cover the basics, shall we? So go on your computer, just type in Shopify, Shopify.com, or you can go to Google, type in Shopify.com. You should be loaded up to the page I was just on. But I want to show you the price and how much it costs, so that you are aware of what you're going to pay once your store gets up and running. So as we scroll down here, you have the basic Shopify plan for $29 a month, the medium Shopify plan for $79 a month, and advanced Shopify for $300 a month. Now I'm going to tell you honestly, I have this thing through Shopify. It's Shopify developers, where you can create a store for free until you get up to 50 sales, I believe, and you won't have to pay. If you're interested in that, I'll leave a link below in the description for you. So let's scroll down for what you're going to get for the basic Shopify plan for $30 a month, medium, and $300. As you can see, you get an online store, unlimited products, staff accounts. You get 2 for this one, 5 for the medium, 15 for the 300. That's something I didn't know. Discount codes, manual order, sales channel, abandoned cart recovery. So this is where they're going to start to notice the big difference between the 3 plans. You get gift cards, professional report, advanced report builder, third party calculated shipping rates. Then as we continue to scroll down, you get discounts for the basic. You get up to 64%, up to 72%. And this one for the 300 is up to 74%. That's something I wasn't aware of. So yeah, this is basically where you're going to get your plan and whatnot. So let's load up AliExpress.com. If you're unfamiliar with AliExpress, this is I'm not sure if it's in China or Japan, but this is their version of Amazon.com. It's actually very popular. People shop on here quite frequently. But over the last dropshipping's been going on for a while now, but when I got into it over the course of the last 5 years, it's really become quite popular for people like us who use these products and upsell them for a different price. So, by the way, let me show you this. So if you're a new user, you're going to want to come to, well, we're already here on AliExpress. You're going to come over here to account. You're going to click join. If you already have an account, you'll click sign in. But definitely, do what you gotta do. From there, you're going to be taken to this. This is the home page right here. Now, yours may look different from mine depending on the products that you browse. This is my first time loading it in my internet browser, so I'm not too sure what's going to pop up, but I'm going to give you an example of what we can do here. Okay, so you have different types of shipping. You have fast shipping from the US, which is good. I'm glad they highlighted that. Then you have AliExpress time shipping. So let me load up this product here so you can get a better idea of what I mean as far as shipping. So let's load up this product here. Right, so we're going to click on this product right here, and you're going to be able to see how reliable the seller is. In my experience, there has been a few sellers who was unable to fulfill my order, but for the most part, all my orders that are placed by my customers, I am able to successfully deliver. So let's take a look at this product right here. As you can see, this is promoting the Marvel Avengers movie. The recent one, I believe, is Infinity War. Now, as you can see, as we scroll right here, shipping to get to the US is going to take about 25 business days. That's Monday through Friday. This does not include weekends. Do not do anything where it does not include e-packet. My experience, if you do anything that's not e-packet, you will get a lot of customer complaints, disputes through PayPal, and you're going to end up with a lot of refunds, and you won't be as profitable as you can. So this is just a rundown. You can do this for any product, any niche that you feel, or niche, since some of y'all like to be funny with the way how you can use that frame. And you want to come here, pick your product, upload it, to your Shopify store, and then begin and running advertisements on it. So now that we discovered what is Shopify and what is AliExpress dropshipping, let me show you a quick, fast way. Don't want to look at that. Let me show you a fast way of how we can combine the two together, so that we're able to get the most out of our money, and let me explain how drop shipping works for you. So, as always, let's load up the whiteboard. It's very simple, very easy to explain. I promise you, it's a lot easier once you get yourself involved. If you're a beginner, this might look quite difficult, but I want to explain it to you as easily as I can, so that you're able to understand this. And I'm going to draw one more. This will be, don't mind my circles. Right, so what we want to do is we want to go to hold on, apologies about my handwriting. Alright, so this is AliExpress. This is the website that I just showed you. Hold on, let me load that back up for you again. Shopify. Gonna go to AliExpress on this website right here. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to get the products from AliExpress. We're going to load them up into our this. Don't mind this. Don't let that distract you. Sorry about that. We're going to load that up into the Shopify store, which we have. Then once the customer comes to order from us from our Shopify store, we're going to use an app called Oberlo. We're going to abbreviate that for right now. We're going to load up the app Oberlo to fulfill that order and deliver to the customer. This way you do not have to touch any of these products. None of these products have to get delivered to your house. You just simply come here to AliExpress.com. Customer comes to order the product. Once the order is placed in your Shopify store right here, you're going to have a free app. I believe it's free up until you make 100 sales, maybe 50 sales. And then once the customer places the order, you're going to load up Oberlo. Oberlo is going to go back to AliExpress, fulfill the order, and then you just sit back and you stay. You want to keep an email update with your customer to let them know along the journeys of where their order is and how long until it arrives to you. But in a nutshell, this is how you start Shopify dropshipping for 2019 for beginners. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave a comment below. I will do my best to respond back to all of you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Over here, going to have a recent video for you that I feel will definitely help you out. Down here is a playlist of videos. And if you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. Should be about right here, so you get updated when I release new videos. This has been your friend and mentor, MrDavinci. Thanks for watching. Signing off. Have a good day, good morning, good afternoon. I'll see you in the next one.